Yeah, so my name's Dave Brown. I'm the IT manager for Busch Systems International. We make and sell recycling systems. We've been working with Innovia for about 2.5 years now. I would say consider Innovia for the breadth of knowledge that they can bring to the table. That's by far the most valuable aspect among many valuable aspects that Innovia brings. Yeah, we were dealing with a particularly troublesome NAV issue. It was a weird error that would pop up. There was no rhyme or reason that we could see. We worked with Innovia, and they were able to drill down on the issue. They called on a lot of their own resources. They identified the issue, which was really surprising. It was in an obscure place. I certainly never would have thought to look there. And they were able to pinpoint the issue and get it resolved. And it's been great ever since.